Hey there, welcome to another video on our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many Java developers face when working with file system management. The problem at hand revolves around the confusion between a path being absolute and having a root component. You might be scratching your head thinking, aren't they the same thing? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. In the solution provided, it's clarified that on Unix systems, a path is indeed absolute if and only if it has a root component, which is always. Pretty straightforward, right? However, on Windows, things can get a bit messy. There are actually 5 different types of paths to consider, including absolute paths with a drive letter plus root directory, relative paths with an empty root component, directory relative paths with just the root directory, drive relative paths with only a drive letter, and UNC paths for network access. When it comes to Windows, only absolute paths and UNC paths are considered truly absolute. Who knew navigating file systems could be so complex? In summary, whether you're working on a Unix system or Windows, understanding the distinction between an absolute path and a root component is crucial in file system management with Java. So, next time you're resolving paths in your code, keep in mind the nuances of each operating system. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!